In 1972, a marshmallow predicted your financial future. Not your IQ, not your parents' income, not your education. A marshmallow. In a small room at Stanford University, researchers placed a single marshmallow on a table in front of a child. They gave the child a choice: eat the marshmallow now or wait 15 minutes. And get two. That was it. Some kids ate it immediately. Some stared at it, fidgeted, covered their eyes, and some waited. Years later, researchers tracked those children. The ones who waited, they had higher SAT scores, lower addiction rates, higher incomes, stronger relationships. It wasn't intelligence, it was self-control. And that single trait quietly shapes who builds wealth in America and who stays stuck. Meet Jason. Jason is 29, makes $85,000 a year in Dallas. Smart guy, degree in finance. He understands investing, he knows about index funds. He's watched every money podcast. But here's the problem. Every Friday night, $120 at bars. Every new iPhone, on release day. Every bonus, gone in 30 days. DoorDash. Impulse Amazon buys. Weekend trips he can't afford. Jason isn't broke because he's dumb. He's broke because he chooses the marshmallow over and over. Now meet Daniel. Same salary, same city. Daniel drives a used Toyota. He invests automatically every month. He deleted food delivery apps. He rarely posts lifestyle flexes. 5 years later, Jason has $7,000 in savings. Daniel has $146,000 invested. Same intelligence, different discipline. Here's what most people misunderstand. America does not reward intelligence as much as it rewards delayed gratification. Our entire economy is built to test your impulse control. Buy now, pay later. 0% financing. One-click checkout. Instant streaming. Instant food. Instant dopamine. The system doesn't force you to fail. It just makes self-control expensive. Because every dollar you don't invest today compounds for someone else. Let's break it down. If you invest $500 a month starting at 25 at 8% annual return, by 45 you're approaching $500,000. But if you delay just 5 years, you don't just lose 5 years, you lose compound growth. That's the real cost of marshmallow decisions, not the $120 bar tab, the opportunity cost. And opportunity cost is invisible. That's why it hurts quietly. Your brain wasn't designed for investing. It was designed for survival. Dopamine rewards immediate pleasure. Scrolling, eating, spending, drinking, investing feels boring. Delayed gratification feels like loss. That's the discipline gap. The wealthy aren't superhuman. They've simply trained themselves to override impulses. They automate investments. They reduce exposure to temptation. They design environments that protect their future selves. Discipline isn't about willpower, it's about systems. And the moment you realize that, wealth stops feeling mysterious. Look at the data. The top 10% of Americans own nearly 70% of the stock market. It's not because they're all geniuses. It's because they stayed invested through crashes, through fear, through boredom, while others panicked, while others cashed out, while others upgraded cars. The discipline gap compounds. Impulses cost you twice. Once when you spend, again when you don't invest. And over 20 years, that gap becomes massive. Not because of talent, because of patience. Maybe nobody ever told you this. You're not behind because you lack intelligence. You're not stuck because you lack opportunity. You might be stuck because you were never taught to delay gratification. And the good news, discipline can be trained. You don't need to overhaul your life. Start small. Automate investments. Delay big purchases 30 days. Remove one impulse expense. Build friction around bad habits. Every time you wait, you're building leverage. Every time you invest instead of spending, you're buying freedom. Wealth is not built in dramatic moments. It's built in quiet decisions. The decision to wait. The decision to invest. The decision to say no today, so you can say yes tomorrow. The marshmallow is still in front of you, every single day. The question isn't, are you smart enough? It's, can you wait? If this changed the way you see money, if you've ever felt like you're working hard but not moving forward, understand this: wealth begins in the mind. Before portfolios, before businesses, before assets. Mental wealth creates financial wealth. And if you want to build both, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Untold Rise.